There we go. Oh, that was not good. Oh, there's another little guy following him. Just bounced him off a rock. Sorry, little guy. There he is on the fluke. Little tiny one though. We're looking to upgrade from that. Definitely looking to upgrade. Oh, come on. Hook went right near his eye. It's a really tough spot sometimes. Really tough spot. Alright, stay still. Come on. There we go. There he is. Alright guys, so I just saw two smallmouth swim out from this rock actually. They were sitting right in the shallows. What I'm gonna do is cast right into the deep because that's where they just went out to. I'm not sure if I'll be able to hook them, but they did go out there. This is where I got that fish to jump just a moment ago. Oh, ah, nailed it. That was that same fish. I'm gonna modify this Texas rig a little bit just so the hook is pointed out like that. As you can see, it's poking out the back a little bit. That'll allow for an easier hook set when that smallmouth bites. Alright, we're just gonna let this one stay down a little bit more. See if we can get a bite like that. Oh, there's I haven't fished this creek in a year. I haven't fished any creek in a year, really. Need to get back into this. Alright, let's go ahead and move up to the next pool. I'll come back to this on the way back. Ooh. What is that I see? Somebody left a little bait there. Arkansas China. Arkansas. Not Arkansas. You know what's funny about that? Somebody leaving this here, and no, this isn't mine. See, it has mud on it, and it was laying another package right there. I'll end up gonna pick that up and throw it away for whoever decides to leave it. My package is actually full back at where I started. There's one left in here, so now I don't have to run all the way back if I lose this bait. This is the same exact bait is what I have tied on. Arkansas Shiner. It's pretty crazy. I'll end up taking that and we'll use it. Let's get it. Oh, I see a smallie right there. He saw me too, though. Oh, nailed it. There we go. Oh, yeah. A little bit of, oh, no, 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 no. Oh, my God. Oh, God. That's not good. Well, guys, I think I just killed a fish. No, he's breathing. Alright, I'm gonna help him out. What I did was hook him and pulled him up, and he was in the air probably 3 feet, fell and hit a rock. He was just shaking like he died, but I can see him breathing right here. Oh, is he good? Oh, he's still right here. He did kick though, so he's not dead. He was twitching like he... Alright, bud. Wrong way, wrong way, wrong way. Other way, other way. Let me help you. Let me help you out. I know, it's tough. That guy right there, a little bit of an upgrade. Went and reeled him in, fell off the hook, bashed his head on a rock, and then looked like he was about to die for like 10 seconds. But he's good. There he goes. Back into the water. Hopefully you guys can see this one. There's another smallie sitting right there. Right there. He's moving. I'm gonna try and catch him. He's just sitting in the current waiting for something to come by, so I'm gonna cast up towards that rock right there and let it drift and see if he nails it or if he saw his friend get attacked. And not attacked, but hooked. Oh, he's swimming away. We're gonna get a cast at him real quick. Guy just hooked up on a nice one off camera. This is a giant creek smallmouth bass. On the fluke. Oh god, get in here. This is the biggest one of the day. I can't even reel him in. It's been like a 2-minute fight already. There he goes, downstream. Come on. Get off this rock. He's fighting so hard. He's rubbing me on all the rocks down there. Come on. Get in here. Oh, here he comes. I gotta tighten that a little bit. Get over here. Come on, come on, come on. Here he is. Look at the colors on him. Oh my god. Come here. Come here, come here, come here. That is a brute creek smallmouth bass. Get over here. Oh, he's going for another run. That is a brute. Look at him. Let's see if I can grab him before he flops. Yes. Look at that bass. He's been beat up too. You can see all the scars on his side, probably from a spawn. That is a nice smallmouth bass right there. Hooked him right kind of in the corner of his mouth. Barely hooked. Look at that fish. It's probably about a 2-pound smallmouth. Here he goes back into the creek. Biggest one of the day. Biggest one I've actually even seen either. Here he goes. No tail kick or nothing. Awesome, let's get back at it. See if I can get this stupid thing rigged up. Oh. Alright. Look at that. Is that? I don't think that's a stick. What is that? That is definitely not a stick. Definitely not a stick. What does that look like to you? What the heck is that? That's thick too. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's bones. That is straight up bones right there. Ugh. Oh, there's my bait falling down. I'm gonna pick that up. Look at that. That is a complete leg bone. I don't know if you guys can see it. I think that's a deer. I'm not gonna touch it because I respect the animal, but that's nuts. It's a complete deer bone. Deer leg. There's the hoof right there going up. There's the bone, and then it bends back this way. That is crazy. That's nuts. I've never seen that before, ever. Just randomly in the middle of this creek. I wonder what happened to it. To be honest with you, I don't think that was old age. It's completely torn apart. It could have been from the crayfish too, I guess, but that's nuts. Maybe somebody shot it upriver and it died. I don't know. And floated down? I have no idea, but that is crazy. My heart skipped a beat there. I thought that was like human bone. Alright, we're gonna get back to fishing now. Alright guys, so that is actually the end of this video. Done creek fishing at the moment. My phone's about to die, so I'm gonna go home, edit the video, and hopefully have it out for tonight for you guys. Tomorrow I should be going fishing again, and hopefully have another video out to you guys by next week, if not this weekend. So thank you guys for watching this one, and I'll catch you guys on the next episode.